Can I day trade on Merrill Edge? Merrill Edge, the brokerage platform provided by Bank of America, does indeed support day trading and offers a range of features and resources tailored for active traders. If you're considering day trading on Merrill Edge, there are several important factors to keep in mind to ensure you effectively navigate the platform and comply with regulatory requirements. First, Merrill Edge offers both cash and margin accounts. For frequent day trading, a margin account is often preferred due to its flexibility. Margin accounts allow traders to leverage their trades by borrowing funds, which can enhance potential returns, but also increases risk. It's important to note that margin accounts require maintaining a minimum balance, and failure to do so can result in restrictions or additional costs. The Pattern Day Trader (PDT) rule, established by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA), is a crucial consideration for day traders using Merrill Edge. According to this rule, if you execute 4 or more day trades within a rolling 5-day period, you will be classified as a pattern day trader. This designation comes with specific requirements, including maintaining a minimum account balance of $25,000. If your account balance falls below this threshold, you may face limitations on your ability to engage in day trading. Merrill Edge provides a robust trading platform equipped with advanced tools designed to support day trading activities. The platform includes features such as real-time quotes, comprehensive charting tools, and extensive research resources, all of which are valuable for making informed trading decisions and managing trades effectively. In terms of fees and commissions, Merrill Edge offers competitive pricing, including commission-free trades on many securities. However, it's important to review the fee structure thoroughly, as certain transactions or services may incur additional charges. Understanding these fees is essential for managing overall trading costs. Additionally, Merrill Edge offers a wealth of educational resources and support, which can be beneficial for both novice and experienced traders. These resources can help you enhance your day trading strategies, understand market trends, and make more informed decisions. In summary, Merrill Edge supports day trading and provides a range of tools and account options to facilitate this activity. By understanding the implications of the PDT rule, the requirements for margin accounts, and the associated fees, you can effectively use Merrill Edge for your day trading needs and optimize your trading strategy.